What's going on, guys? I hope you are all fine. So right now let's go and create the project, guys. First of all, let's create here in desktop a folder with a name of let's name it auth authenticate. Let's name it auth. Alright, I'm just gonna go in VS Code, take it, drag and drop it inside. Alright, close this right now. I'm just gonna open this. Alright, after this, guys, let's go and create a file with a name of server.js. We need then let's create a folder with a name of roots. Okay, I'm not going to create middleware, and maybe I'm gonna create controllers. Okay, after this, right now let's go and run. Oh, what I'm doing. Come on, view terminal, it's here. Alright, we need to initialize a JSON file. The reason is that we need to bring some modules, and for this reason we have to create a JSON file. Just press enter everywhere, and we got this right now. And we are going to bring some modules because we need these modules. So npm install, we need first of all the big crypt. What this dude does. Big crypt is necessary in order to make an encryption in our password. For example, if we have a password 1 2 3 4 5 6, this password, when we are going to send it on MongoDB, is gonna appear. If we don't use the big crypt, it's gonna be the same. So with big crypt, this password is gonna become very big. The password will be the same, but on the road, it's gonna become bigger. It's gonna become an encryption. I'm gonna show you when we are going to create it. So big crypt also we need concurrently in order to run both server and client and front-end client. So concurrently also we need .env in order to deal with the environment variables. So .env. Also we need express in order to deal in a better way with roots. It's a framework of Node.js. Moreover, we need JSON web token in order to create the token on the header, and we are going to exploit this token in order to appear our protected roots. So also we need mongoose in order to deal with in order to connect in reality with MongoDB. Mongoose to create the schema. Also we need nodemon in order to run automatically the server. So press enter, and now we are going to wait for them to be installed here. Okay, let's wait. It's not going to take a lot, this process. Then we are going to deal with the server. We are going to create the basic server, and after this we are going to create our account in MongoDB. We are gonna take the API from MongoDB. Come on, why so late? Come on, come on. Okay, we got the dependencies. We got the create on correctly.env expression good no daemon. Alright, I'm gonna close it. And right now, let's go here. We need first of all to make require. Before making require, let's create here new file .env. We are gonna create let's say mongo URI equal blah 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 blah. We haven't put anything, I'm not going to put anything right now, just let it like this, and then we are going to deal with MongoDB. So let's go in the server. Also, I'm gonna put here a port. Let's say port equal with 4000, right? I'm here. Why don't what I'm not putting a GWT secret? Okay, let's say blah 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 whatever, right? Let's deal right now with the server. So first of all, I'm just gonna require what I'm doing, let's see, require. Okay, we need the .env, and after this let's put the config, right? We need the express. Alright, let's require. We want to the express. Okay, we take express right now. Also we need mongoose. Let's require the module, the mongoose. Alright, let's initiate the express here in our app variable. Alright, also I forgot, guys, to put something else. Okay, no worries. Package JSON. We need course, npm install course. The reason, because when we are doing with external pages, generally we got here the server and when we are going to create React, we will have the client, so we have two different servers. So we need course in order to allow access. Let's see, course. Okay, bye. Const no cons, what I'm doing. Okay, first of all, const course equal require Okay, we need course right now. Beautiful. After this, let's create app.use. It's gonna have access in all the use has access in all the app. Also, we need the express.json. When we are going to send the data, we want to send it as JSON in the body. If we don't have express.json or body parser, then we will see when we send the data undefined. We don't want this. So for this reason, just put express.json or body parser. So also app.use, we need course for the reason that I explained you. Alright, connect. Let's create connect to Mongo. Alright. Okay guys, let's before doing anything else, I'm just gonna do a couple of things right now. Okay, let me see, or okay, let's do it. Let's create the const, and then we are going to deal with Mongo. Const port equal with process.env dot. Right now we need the port. What is this port? This port or 4000. This port here that we put it is the port that we required from here. It's this port in reality. Okay, so after this we want to listen all this app, or we want to listen the server, let's say, in the port, and we want to see something. What we want to see, let's make a server listening on port. Alright, let's put here port. Let's see the package JSON. We need to put here, we don't need this test. Let's put dev, or guys start, or we got the start. I'm just gonna put dev, just put dev. Okay, don't care. Or guys, my mistake, just put server here, and here we need to put the nodemon server.js. okay, the difference right now with the start and server is that start is not going to watch every time that the changes. If we put start, let's say npm run start. Okay, server listening on port 4000. Okay, all right, let's create a port right now. Localhost, okay, no 3000 for, let's see, okay, cannot get because we haven't created yet right now yet. Let's go and create a get app.get, let's say all right, I'm just gonna put the default only, then Let's create, we need a request and the response res.json, let's say msg hello from server. Okay, let's see. Okay, look right now. As I told you, when we use the start without no daemon, when we reload, we can't see the changes. We have to write we have to press Control Clear and to write. Okay, yes, and to write again the same thing. I don't like this, and for this reason, I'm just gonna always write the server here, npm run server, because it's gonna run, because we have no daemon here, and it's gonna run automatically every time. So npm run server. Alright, if I reload, look, hello from server, pretty nice. Okay, and now it's gonna watch every time from changing. Look, for example, if I just write whatever and reload, look, I'm gonna see whatever. Okay, we created this. Let's go, but we don't want to create get and post here in the server file. And for this reason, I'm gonna show you what we are gonna create. Let's go to roots and just write user root. Okay, user root .js, of course. What we need here, guys, we need right now to create the roots. I'm not going to create controllers, guys. Generally separate the files because it's so simple, the project. So I'm gonna create all things here. So we need what we need here. We need const mongoose equal require, and of course we need mongoose. All right. Let's initiate a router equal require. Okay, we need the express, of course, dot router. Okay, what else? I'm gonna initiate bcrypt equal require, and I'm gonna tell you later. Bcrypt, we need a bcrypt. All right. Also, we need the JSON web token, so require. Okay, after this, alright, for now let's use only this. Let's write a register. We need the register right now functionality, so router dot post. Of course we need, let's write here register the root, and when it's going in the register, when we are going to go in the register root, this function is gonna is going to work. So rec res, let's say res dot send, for example, hello from register. Okay, this is the best thing that we are going to do. Let's also create the login. Alright, router dot post, we need here the login. All right. Rec res, of course. Let's write again from login. All right. We need right now module dot exports equal with we need to export right now. We need to export the router. Okay, this. All right. Now we need to import in the server this file. All right. So let's import it here, guys. Or you can just put directly here const user. I prefer make it much more elegant. Require roots, and here we are gonna put the user, right? Let's see. All right now we don't need this thing. I'm just gonna create app.use. With app.use we have all access in all the apps, so I'm just gonna put here the default, and we need the user root. All right, just write user root. Right. After this, okay, let's go and test it right now. Of course, if I press here, we don't have anything. If I write here right now, register, of course I don't have anything because we are making a post request. If I make get here, let me see. Of course we are not going to use get. Look, register, we see login. Hello from login. Okay, we got in this endpoint request login. Okay, we need the post in both. So right now let's go and deal with MongoDB. I'm gonna increase it. MongoDB Atlas. So guys, you have to create an account in MongoDB right now in order to create your API. You have to do it. So sign in, or you can just sign in with your Google account. Okay, I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. You can do the same thing or just create another account in MongoDB. It is very important to create an account in MongoDB or to log in with your account that you already have. Okay, after this, what we need to do? We have to create new project. Let's name it Oath. Alright. Let me see. Must have. I'm gonna name it Oath. Or, you know, guys, protect. Oath. Okay, you can write whatever you want. I'm just gonna press next, create project. Alright, we got the oath. Now we have to go and build a cluster. Alright, of course we want the free version. You can use Amazon Web Service of Google Cloud. I'm just gonna leave it as default. Of course I'm just gonna put here Frankfurt because I am in Europe. You can choose the place that you are, and create cluster. It's a specific process, guys. We don't have crazy things here. Alright, now we are going to wait. Alright. Until it is going to be finished, we can go here in network access, add IP address, add current, press here, or you know, allow access from anywhere. Allow access from anywhere, confirm. Database access. Okay, we have to create here password authentication. Let's write a password here. I'm just gonna write oath. Alright, and here I'm just gonna write oath 321. Let's see. Oath 321. Just write this password somewhere, guys, in order to remember, okay? I'm just gonna copy the password, control copy. Okay, add user. Right, I'm just going here in, where is clusters. We see that it's still trying to install all the dependencies. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for a while. Come on. Okay, I will stop for a while. Alright, it finally finished the installation. I don't know, guys, it took me 10 minutes. Something wrong happens here. Maybe with the server, I don't know. Maybe they were updating something. Okay, right now, what we are gonna do? We have to go here in connect, and we need to connect your application, and boom, boom, we need to take all this, copy all these guys here. Alright, copy, go right now in your, we need to go here, and we don't need these things. I'm just gonna put here control V. We need all these things, and here we are gonna put our password, auth 321. This is the password that I put it in the beginning, from the beginning. I told you you have to remember your password, okay? Right. Okay, let's go in server. Right now we are gonna deal with MongoDB. Alright, here we need to mongoose dot, we need to use the connect, then we need process dot env dot, we need the, let's see, this mongo URI, control copy, go again in the server. Alright, mongo URI, then we need to put here user new URL parser, some default things. Also we need to use find and modify, is gonna be false by default. Use unified topology, we need it to be true. Alright, and finally use create index, let's make it true. By default it's true, so we just let it true. Alright, after this go here and let's create a function. If err, we need to throw err. Else what we need? We need to return, let's say, yes, MongoDB connected. Let's see. And of course we are connected right now with a MongoDB. Alright. That was about this. Let's right now go and deal. Of course guys, I forgot. We need to create the model. It's very important. Go here, new folder, model, and we need to create here the schema. Alright, I'm just gonna name it user model. Let's write user model.js, right? Alright, let's go and deal right now with the schema. Const mongoose equal require. Okay, we need mongoose, no mongo, mistake. Be careful what you are writing. Alright, const, let's say user schema equal we need new mongoose, alright, dot schema. Alright, right now we are gonna create a schema. Let's also module, we are gonna export equal mongoose dot model. Here we need to put, let's name it user. Alright, and we need the user schema. Nice. After this we are gonna create right now our schema, and of course we need the name. Alright, let's use the type of string. We need required. Okay, it's gonna be true, right? Copy 2 more times. Here we need the email. Alright, also let's make password. Nice. Alright, let's go in user root. We need to import const user, no user root, user mod, user, let me see here, schema. I'm gonna put schema equal with require. We need right now alright, we need models, okay, and of course the user model. Alright, and we are ready to start with post